The daffodils are blooming, spring has sprung, but trains haven't started stopping at Reston yet. Much of the work to complete the station here at Reston is nearing completion. The platforms and the associated bridge towers and crossing are now in place. The Trans-Pennine Express services between Edinburgh and Newcastle, which will form the bulk of the stopping trains, are now running. Only the stop needs to be added to their timetable. The lift towers now form a new landmark that dominates the local landscape. Work on the car park is nearing completion. It should be obvious to all now that Reston now has a railway station, albeit one that's not yet open to the public. LNER carried out a validation safety stop exercise in February to allow a series of platform safety checks to be made. There will be 5 Trans-Pennine Express trains each day in both directions, plus 2 LNER trains at the beginning and end of each day. New Kid on the Block Lumos trains will not be stopping here at Reston. Cross-country trains will also not be calling at Reston, and there are no ScotRail services south of Dunbar. The station is expected to open in May 2022, when the last digger will have departed.